Hey guys, it's Coulter. I'm here at George's home in Blackfoot area, and we have a small spot repair on the sewer line that we'll be performing. And then due to some limitations on funds and things like that, we also have a minor water line repair that was currently leaking that we'll have to patch temporarily. So we talked about doing a full replacement through the crawl space, but for right now, we'll just be capable to kind of do some patchwork to help fix some water lines. So I'm down here, as you can see, there's a little bit of leftover water on this low spot of the crawl space. Thankfully, everything else is drier. But through some of these water lines, I recognized when I was looking yesterday that we had an active leak coming out. So on this connection, try to get my line to focus, there was multiple, I think there was 2 or 3 pinholes spraying over this old water heater that's covered in mud. And so what that was coming from is, I have all the water turned off. The city of Blackfoot came and shut it off for us so that it's not filling up this hole anymore. But we will have to take out / temporarily repair this line, just the small copper one. As you can see, it kind of runs behind the drain pipe right there and goes over, and then it hooks to the left a little bit, and then where it comes out is right here coming up there. And this wood is, you can kind of see that it's wet too. So what it was doing yesterday is it was spraying up here, hitting the insulation, getting the ground wet, and then it was also filling up this hole. I did not recognize any other leaks coming out of like the main water lines, but that being said, once we replace / patch that, it would be good if we can have the water turned back on to just confirm that there's no more leaks, because it was very quickly spraying everywhere, so it'll be very obvious if it is. So as far as the work in the crawl space goes, that will be the small replacement / patchwork we'll do for now. We won't be replacing any of the main water lines. Once again, right by the main stack, this line coming down, running over between those two, and connecting here on this side going up. And I'll take you outside to show you where our spot repair will be done. It does look like there will be some challenges with getting the excavator into the backyard due to limited space. We have about 67 inches of clearance on the side. So what I was talking about with that is we have about 67 inches of space to get through the gate on the side of the house here. The other side with the addition on it is much, much smaller. So without removing neighbors' fences, we might have to use a mini excavator, but with our spot repair, it is about 8 feet deep. So right back here, I have the spot repair location marked. Thankfully, the rest of the sewer line was in very good condition. With the snow, I kind of made a little circle in the snow about 8 feet deep right here next to the fence. So what happened is this is completely broken open here. Roots have been intruded into it, and before you get into the city line, it's closed off pretty well. So we'll excavate out just this portion, everything running back to the clean out right there. It's in really good shape. So we'll focus on a spot repair here, get that portion taken out and reconnected, and then get them back in service so that they can flush their toilets again. If there's any questions, please let me know. Pretty straightforward. Just in this area, we'll repair the spot repair, and then that fix in the crawl space for that actively spraying water line. I will get it situated out with the excavator, what we need to do if a panel of fencing or something like that might have to be removed. And that's about all we have options for, but I'm in contact with Charlie right now to see if we can find a machine that would be thin enough and also capable to dig 8 feet deep to open up that spot repair. So thanks for the help, guys. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help.